morning, folks, and welcome to Put On Your Lid. I'm on my bike on the BMW R1250 GS Adventure, and I'm just I got up really early this morning to go out for a little trip, and I'm just looking for a place to fly my drone today. I headed off from south of Frankfurt, and I'm now in Mainz. It's coming into the industrial area of Mainz, which is not very nice, and it says Wiesbaden, but it is actually heading for Mainz. And I just thought I'd say a little hello on the way. It's a beautiful day. It's around about 20 degrees, and I'm sitting very comfortably on this beautiful GS Adventure. There's the McDonald's now. Maybe I could get some breakfast there. No, I think I'll just have a look in Mainz itself. There should be some nice cafes somewhere. It's Saturday. So I'm going to do a little, oh look, the petrol's a lot cheaper here, 178. I'm just after paying a blasting 207 for it in the Shell, which is a ridiculous price. Probably would have made it to here, but it would have been a struggle. Yeah, well, definitely not the nicest part of the world here, but believe me, it does get nicer. Anyway, I thought I'd head for the Rhine River and try out my drone over a little bit of water. I have been here for years. We're just about to cross the river. I don't know if you can see it now from here, but it's on my right hand side. If you look at my navigation there, just point my camera up a bit, and I hope now that we can get a bit of a better view. Ah, look at that, there it is. There she is. There's Mainz on the other side there. Absolutely gorgeous. I haven't seen those tents there before. It is a small city, but a nice city. And you get a bit of a look at the waterfront there. I'll try and get you to that side there. I'm gonna head to the right here. No, I can't. I'll go into this lane anyway, because I think there's a sort of a tunnel-y thing. Well, isn't that nice? Oh no, I can do a nice Yui here. An official Yui. Look at those buildings. They're just incredible colour. Very nice. Very impressive balcony there. The gold on it. Would be nice for Mr. Putin. The bastard. So we have to head into the right here, but not quite yet. I used to live in Mainz. It was lovely, and there's a nice beer brewery here. Definitely a nice town to live in. It's a very studenty town, and that's why you get quite a lot of young people here. Just point the camera up a little bit further. I'll give you a bit better picture. So there's an old Moto Guzzi. Nice little cafe racer style. It actually looks small to me. Oh, I think it's, but the bloke is quite big. Nice little old bike, shaft drive. Did he just put down the gears on the right hand side? I think he did. Doesn't look very comfortable though, does it? I think I'm going to get the drone up. That'll be nice. absolutely gorgeous here. Well, I must say I've really enjoyed myself today. It's been a very, very mellow day out on the GS, as always. The GS just rides so well. You sit on it, it's perfect. It's great for doing a daily tour, it's great for doing a week's holidays on, or two even. It's just great at everything. Folks, it's brilliant at everything. Look into my eyes. It's brilliant at doing everything. So folks, I'm on the Rhine and it's absolutely beautiful here. This is where the good wine comes from. Look at the scenery. Look at the scenery. It's just so gorgeous. What a colour. Orange, an orange Harley. I'm not too sure I would like to throw my leg over that. Oh, look at that up there. Beltville am Rhein. Folks, this is Germany. It's just so gorgeous. Look at the castle. In there. Look, you see? Over there. Look at that. Is that a hotel or what is it? This is a police station. Just going through this town, am I? Oh, it's hot. Should I have an ice cream? Oh, gorgeous. Bloody hell. He doesn't know whether he's coming or going. What a nice day for a drive. Look at the properties here.